Alright, well, welcome back to the Christmas kitchen. Today we're doing another special request. You asked for it, you got it. This is creamy coleslaw. We're gonna make up our sauce and then put it all together and let you guys follow along. Alright, well, let's start making our sauce. Start 4 cups of Miracle Whip, which will be this entire 30-ounce container. So we're gonna get this out of here. Make a big mess while we're doing it, but that's alright. That's all part of the fun of cooking. Alright, now first I'm going to go ahead. This is a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Going to put that right in the pan or the bowl. Now we need some vinegar. Another 1/2 cup of vinegar. And I'm going to pour that vinegar into my jar. Give him a shake. And look at there. We got all of our Miracle Whip. Alright. Wipe my paws off. Okay. Need little Tonys and some black pepper. So we're gonna hit it with a little black pepper. Throw in a little bit of Tonys. And when I was getting my setup ready, I didn't get my sugar out. Give me just a minute and I'll get it out and we'll get you right back. Alright, sorry about that. So much for forethought. Try to think of everything. Alright, so I'm gonna add my sugar and then take our whisk and we'll try to clean up a little bit here. Alright. Now, I'm just going to whisk this together. Try to work everybody together here. And then we'll let you take a look at the sauce once I get it all mixed together here and get through making a big mess. Alright. Well, I had to switch whisk. And I'll be honest, Dana came over and helped whip it up for me. So here's our sauce, nice and creamy. So we're going to bring in our tote to mix. This is a fairly large batch. We're starting with 4 pounds of slaw mix to this recipe. Whenever we make it, it never lasts long, and we always wind up sharing anyway. So we'll get this stuff open and in here. Nothing like getting your butt kicked by a bag of slaw mix. Alright, and to this I'm gonna add 1 medium onion that has been shredded. The dinner bell's starting to ring already. Alrighty. Now then, just kind of brush that around a little bit. and gonna take just a little bit of my Tony's and go directly over my slaw mix. That'll help it start breaking down. Kind of poke him in there and spread it around a little bit. Then in with our dressing. So from here we just toss and turn and get our sauce, our dressing spread through, and we'll fish out a couple of big pieces that didn't cut through when they processed it, and we will bring you guys back and show you here in just a couple of minutes. Alright, well, we got sidetracked there for a few minutes, and you can see this is already starting to break down. We've got a nice coating of our dressing on here. It's starting to break down. You can see the pepper in it. Got a little bit of the paprika and the cayenne from the Tony's floating around in there. So from here you just want to cover it, let it excuse me, let it sit for at least an hour. It'll break down some more, give it a good stir, and it'll be time to sample. Alright guys, thanks again for sending in suggestions, shooting us messages, and supporting our channel. We really appreciate you. Remember to like, subscribe, click the little bell, and share these videos. Share our channel. Let's see if we can make this thing grow. Dana and I are having a lot of fun with it, as you can probably tell, because this will be video number 12 in 7 weeks time. So yeah, we're having a good time and cooking for you guys, showing you what we're doing, and we've got a lot of big cooks coming up this summer, and we want to make you guys a part of it. So until the next time, take care.